I was born in fallen nook of the world. No one ever dreams of. For the rest of the world, this is the most dangerous place on the globe. Drought and famine kill silently, in large numbers. War kills loudly, with explosions and bursts of machine gun fire. Sounds that I have been learning by heart for the last 20 years. The situation is worse near Mogadishu. 1 million of us kept enough willpower to fight for our lives and run away to the north. I have come here with my daughters and their children. This was our only chance to survive. It was 5 years ago. We are safe. My dream, return home one day. There are 13 of us in our family. They depend on me for their living. Now I have water within reach. Man abandoned us. They went to fight and got killed. Many of those who survive sit in the street chewing cud to forget. We have to take care of our parents and our children all by ourselves. Parents are now more willing to send girls to school. They understand. It is us they must count on. My mom raised us, me and my 11 brothers, all by herself, with no help. When I was 6, my brothers told me I would always stay at home to clean and wash their clothes. I ran crying to my mom. That evening she sewed my school uniform. The next day was my first day at school. Water with the rich means more than just putting out thirst. It means growing vegetables and giving our kids better food. It means fighting diseases that plague us. For a Somali woman, it is more dangerous to get pregnant than to live in a country taken over by war. Water is our chance of survival. Until now, we successfully deliver only 10 babies a month. This was a tragedy. Now we deliver up to 50 new lives. I gave birth to a sweet baby girl. We have not named her yet. I am born and I die in a world where death is commonplace. And yet we have learned how to live having nothing. Family is all we have. We have learned how to find happiness every day. I am a woman made of this soil. I am Somalia.
I try to live it as I am. If you're not happy from your life, what you have, small or a little or anything, everything what you have to happy.
Okay.
And if you're not happy, what you have, you never happy in your life.